Hello friends, today I'll be showing you some hand block printed Chanderi silk cotton sarees. So I'll start with the sarees. These are purely hand block printed ones. Let me start with the first one. These come with 5.5 meters saree and 0.75 meters blouse. I'll just show everything. So this is the first saree. So this is a yellowish kind of gold and yellow kind of color. Just see the prints. I'll just open it. These are really good for informal occasions. Just see how the prints are beautiful prints, and the border has a small zari border with the block prints running throughout the border. So this is how the saree looks when it is opened, and I'll show you the blouse. For better color representation and the pictures, you can just go through our website for better pictures and for buying. These are up on our website. I'll just share the link in the content, so you can directly log on to the category and you can just shop these sarees directly. If you have any queries, you can just communicate with me. You can call me, or you can even WhatsApp me or directly message me. It will be answered. So this is the blouse. This is the saree. First saree of the day, yellow and gold. Hand block printed saree, silk cotton Chanderi. The next saree for today is this of white and pink saree. I'll just open it. These are really unique block prints. Hand block printed. So this is how the saree is. Just see the fabric, beautiful fabric, very easily drapes, and very sophisticated look, beautiful ones. Goes for informal occasions. So this is the saree. I'll just open it and show the blouse. This is how the blouse looks. This is the blouse with the border. So this is saree number 2. These are available on our website under the category Shefali printed sarees. So this is the second saree of the day. If you have any queries, message us directly, or you can even WhatsApp us on 99456 87277. These sarees are available at 3,555 rupees each. The next saree is this, saree number 3. I'll just open it. So this is the saree. This is how it looks. The body part has block prints like this, and this is the pallu. Let me show the blouse. The blouse will be like this with the border. So this is available on our website discoverdiva.com under the category Shefali printed sarees. So you can just directly purchase from there, or if you need any help, you can even directly message us here. or you can even message on WhatsApp 99456 87277. So the next saree is this. I'll just open the saree and show you. So this is how the saree looks when it is open. Tiny little prints, beautiful prints, grey and pink combination, very classy, elegant. And so this is the pallu, the body, and I'll show you the blouse. So this will be the blouse. This is the blouse with the border. This saree is available on our website discoverdiva.com. Please check out under the category Shefali printed sarees. If you have any issues, you can directly message us here, or you can even WhatsApp 99456 87277. Your query will be clear, and you will be helped with the link of the saree also. Moving on with our next saree. So this is the next saree. This is of white and blue combination. These are very unique kuttas, not very easily available. So this is the next saree. Just see the color combo and the blocks. This has a very beautiful block with a bird in it. So very exclusive, gorgeous, and the color is also beautiful. This is the pallu. I'll just show the blouse. Blouse will be something like this. This is the blouse. So this is available on our website discoverdiva.com. Please check out on under the category Shefali printed sarees. If you have any doubts, you can definitely WhatsApp on 99456 87277, or even message us directly here. So the next saree is this. Just see the color, beautiful, beautiful blocks. So the prints are really good. So this is the red and off-white combination with a hint of grey in it. So this saree is also priced at 3,555. It is available on our website discoverdiva.com. Please check out under the category Shefali printed sarees. You can shop directly from there, or you can if you have any queries, please contact us. We will definitely provide you the link of the saree and help you with the payment transactions also. So this is the blouse. Moving on to our next saree. So this is the next one. Great kind of purple with off-white combination and blue, hints of blue and peach in it. I'll just open the saree. Most of the sarees, whatever I'm showing today, they don't have two colors. They have 3 or 4 multiple colors, and the blocks also have to be multiple blocks, and the printing is also very difficult with many colors, and the procedure also is a long procedure for printing 3-4 colors. So I'll just open this saree and show you. This is also a saree, silk cotton chanderi. So just see this saree. This is how the saree looks. This is the pallu. This is the body part. This saree is also available on our website. This will be the blouse. Under the category Shekhali printed sarees, please check out on our website. You can directly buy from the website, or you can even message us if you have any queries on 99456872277, or you can directly message us here. Next saree of the day is this off-white, blue and green combination saree. This is how the saree looks when it is open. These are the prints on the body, and this is the pallu. These are gorgeous sarees. Looks really good for informal occasions. I'll just show the blouse. So this is the blouse. Blouse also has prints. This saree is also available on our website discoverdiva.com under the category Shekhali, the printed sarees. So you can directly purchase from there, or you can even contact us through WhatsApp on 99456872277, or you can directly message us here. Thank you for watching this video. We will be coming up with many more videos every day now. Just subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any of them. Thanks again for watching this video.